Hello, everybody. Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine and healthy. Myself, Mahesh Talpada. We are here again together for learning a poem, The Quarrel of Standard 6th Subject English. Here you can see in the heading The QUARREL Quarrel, and it is written by the poet Eleanor Farjeon. It is written by the poet Eleanor Farjeon. Here, after learning the lesson, Tarot's Reward, a very beautiful small poem is there by Eleanor Farjeon. It is about the quarrel. Quarrel means clash. In simple language, the meaning of quarrel can be that to disagree with our brother relatives or any of our family member or our friends related to some matter, to have different opinions about something, and it leads into the quarrel or clash. So let us understand the poem. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? From this paragraph, we can come to know that it is a poem related to the brother, brothers, and it is found that to fight or to quarrel with our brothers or sisters or our friends or any other family member, it is a very natural thing to have different opinions on some matter leads to quarrel. क्वारल का अगर मैं कहूँ सिंपल जो मीनिंग होता है हिंदी में वो होता है झगड़ा करना, फाइट करना। यहाँ पे जो पोएम है क्वारल, उसमें बताया गया है कि घर में ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स या और कोई फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ काफ़ी इजीली कई बात पे ऐसा क्वारल या झगड़ा हो जाता है। यहाँ पे झगड़ा यानी कि कोई फाइटिंग नहीं है, पर टू हैव डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, अपना अलग राय होना किसी सब्जेक्ट या किसी टॉपिक के ऊपर, वो एक रीज़न बनता है क्वारल का। तो यहाँ पे भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा पोएम है जो हमें सिखाता है कि क्वारल कैसे होता है और जो एक दूसरे के साथ घुल मिल कर रहते हैं ऐसे भाई बहन, कितने दिन या कितने मिनट या कितने घंटों तक एक दूसरे से झगड़ा करके दूर रह सकते हैं, उसका भी हमें आंसर मिलेगा। सो लेट अस लर्न द पोएम फर्स्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज देयर इन द पोएम। I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. Here, the word quarrel. It can be said about quarrel. The synonym can be a clash. 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 या झगड़ा। I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. It is written by Eleanor Farjeon. Now let us recite the poem so that you can understand how to recite this poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Like this way, you can recite the poem. I hope you will practice reciting the poem yourself so that it will be very easy to by heart. Now, let me just explain what is there in the poem. Then we'll read the line and understand the sentences and meaning. Here, the poem Quarrel. The poet quarrelled with his brother on some very pretty matter. It was so pretty that now he does not remember what it was. One thing led to another. Both of them felt that they were right. It had started as something very small. It had become very big in the end. So they began to hate each other. The afternoon became very tense and unpleasant for both of them. Then suddenly, the poet's brother patted him on the back. He said that the two of them could not go along like that for a long time. It would be difficult to pass the night in that manner. He said that it was his mistake. Just then, the poet, Eleanor Farjon, felt that his brother was right. In fact, he himself was wrong. So, this is what the simple meaning of the poem. If you still didn't get the meaning, let me just tell you the meaning in another language so that you can easily understand by listening to it in Hindi. किसी छोटी बात पर कवि जो एलेनर फार्जन है उनका अपने भाई के साथ झगड़ा हो गया। वो बात इतनी छोटी थी कि अब तो एलेनर फार्जन को ये याद भी नहीं था कि वो कौन सी बात पे अपने भाई के साथ वो झगड़े थे। एक बात से दूसरी बात निकलती गई और दोनों को ये लगने लगा कि उनकी बात सही है और उनका भाई है वो गलत है। छोटी सी चीज़ के रूप में यह झगड़ा प्रारंभ हुआ था और अंत तक वो झगड़ा काफ़ी बड़ा बन चुका था। बड़ा बन चुका था उसका मीनिंग है कि अब उन दोनों के दिल में अपने भाई के लिए वो प्यार नहीं रहा था। वो ये सोचते थे कि मैं सही हूँ और मेरा भाई है वो गलत है। अंत में दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ बात भी नहीं कर रहे थे। दिन का तीसरा प्रहर दोनों के लिए बड़ा तनाव और दुख से भरा था। सुबह में झगड़ा हुआ, फिर आफ्टरनून या दोपहर में वो बात नहीं कर रहे थे और अब शाम होने आई थी, तो तब तक वो जो माहौल था घर में वो काफ़ी तनावपूर्ण था। तभी अचानक कवि के भाई ने आके उनकी पीठ थपथपाई। वह बोला कि यह तरह वे दोनों अधिक समय नहीं रह पाएंगे। दोनों के एक दूसरे के साथ बात करना काफ़ी लाजमी था, तो बात ना करते हुए दोनों ही काफ़ी परेशान हो गए थे। इस तरह से रात गुजारना कठिन हो जाएगा। उसने कहा कि गलती उसकी थी। जो एलेनर फार्जन है उनके भाई ने कहा कि गलती मेरी थी, आप सही थे। तभी जो एलेनर था उनको भी लगा कि नहीं भाई, आप सही थे, मैं गलत था और सारी गलती मेरी ही है। तो ऐसे वो जो झगड़ा था उसका अंत आया। और यही होता है सभी भाइयों बहनों में घर में कि कोई छोटी सी बात पे लेके झगड़ा हो जाता है। वो छोटी सी बात शायद हो सकती है कोई गेम खेल रहे हो तब हो सकता है, या टीवी देखने के लिए रिमोट के लिए झगड़ा होना, या कुछ खाने या पीने की चीज़ या कपड़े या कोई भी चीज़ के ऊपर ऐसे छोटे छोटे झगड़े होते रहते हैं। और ये जो झगड़े होते हैं वो दर्शाते हैं कि आपके फैमिली में कितना प्यार है और कितनी जल्दी आप उस झगड़े को ख़त्म कर देते हैं। तो यही हमें इस पोएम से भी सीखना है कि चाहे किसी के साथ भी हमारा कोई क्वारल हुआ हो, झगड़ा हुआ हो, तो उसे भुलाकर उनसे माफ़ी मांग लेने से कोई छोटा नहीं हो जाता। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी लर्न इन दिस पोएम. Let me just read the poem and again I'll explain in simple words. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. यहाँ पे एलेनर फार्जन कहते हैं कि मुझे नहीं पता है कि कौन सी मैटर पे मेरे भाई के साथ मेरा झगड़ा हुआ था. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. एक से दूसरी चीज़ निकलती गई, दोनों आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करते रहे और वो झगड़ा काफ़ी बड़ा हो चुका था. The start of it was slight and the end of is what? Strong. Eleanor says that the start it was on it was on a very small topic or matter, but the end, the discussion and the arguments made the quarrel very strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Eleanor thought that whatever his brother says, that he was right, but Eleanor says that I know my brother was wrong and I was right. Look at the second stanza. We hated one another. They did not like to talk with one another. The afternoon turned black, and the afternoon, we all know that the afternoon remains very bright and shiny. But as they have quarreled with one another, the atmosphere in the home was very black. Nobody was talking with each other and they were doing their work on themselves. Nobody is laughing or talking. So that is why it said that the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back, and in few minutes Eleanor's brother came and thumped. Thumped means patted, means shabashi dena. He thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." And Eleanor's brother said that we can't pass time if we do not talk or if we do not play games. So it's better to patch up and start talking and ignoring the mistakes that we have done previously. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. Eleanor's brother says that he was wrong and Eleanor was right. But in the end, Eleanor also realized that his brother was right and he himself was wrong. So he was in the right. That is what he says. So this is what we learn in this poem. I hope you have understood. In simple word, the moral of this poem, that quarrels that do take place in all the families, but how fast you patch up with your dear ones, that is more important. So if you have quarreled with someone, say sorry to them and start your friendship, your respect with each other without wasting any time. Now let us see what is there in the exercise of this poem. Working with the poem. Exercise first, working with the poem. In that, with your partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. We need to tell the meaning of that underlined words. First one, and somehow we fell out. Somehow we fell out. In that sentence, the underline is done on fell out. And what does fell out mean? Here the answer would be, and there was something on which we quarreled. Fell out in the sense that we quarreled. The afternoon turned black. The afternoon turned black. The afternoon become unpleasant and bad. Turn black means unpleasant and bad. Read these lines from the poem. One thing led to another. The start of it was light. The end of it was strong. The afternoon turned black and thumped me on my back. Discuss with your partner what this lines means. One thing led to another means the quarrel began from a small point and then they quarreled on some another point. That is why it is said that one thing led to another. The start of it was light. It had all started on a very small matter. The end of it was strong. Third number. The malice which it generated was, however, strong. The point which it generated was, however, strong. Thumped me on my back, patted me on my back with a show of affection. So this is what the simple meaning of these poems. Describe the recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? Here from this exercise, third number exercise, we can come to know that we need to write a small incident. If it had happened with us, if we have quarreled with our brother or sister or our friend, then you need to write down that how that quarrel took place. What was the matter? What did you quarrel about? What did you say to your friend or your sibling, brother or sister? How did it end? And in how many minutes, hours or days your quarrel was over with your friend and you became friendly to one another again. So this is what you need to write down in this exercise. It is for your understanding, so no need to write, but I request you to write the poem in your notebook with this paragraph. So I hope you have understood what is there in the poem and you will learn yourself how to recite this poem. So do practice of reading and writing of this poem in notebook, write one time and read 5-6 times minimum, so that you can come to know the pronunciation of different words, and you will also learn how to recite the poem. So thank you very much, and I hope that you have enjoyed learning this poem.